Okay, let me log into my lab, which is physical machines, HP's Blade servers hosted in the lab. Yes. So in this setup, I have three master and two worker node. I can access their ILO to show you that it's a physical machine. The current lab setup, it is used by Red Hat OpenShift UPI method of deployment. So I deployed manually Red Hat Core OS on top of five different physical machine, and it joins into a cluster. And yes, that is this is the page where you will see to log into GUA console. So this is called HT password provider, where one of the authentication where you can log in. Okay, so in the overview page, what I see, the cluster details about the cluster inventory. It's made up of five nodes, which is master node 1 OCP cluster.example.com, and 2 and 3, and the worker node 1 and 2 all are in ready state, and its role is master, and these two are worker nodes, and the number of pod which is running on this cluster, especially these nodes, as we call it master node as a control plane nodes, and number of paths running, and how much total gig the memory is available, and how much it is utilized, and the CPU core, the millicore we call it here in OpenShift, how many millicores are utilized currently, and the file system, which is the PVCs which is used, and what is available, right? And when it is created. And the middle of the section called status panel, where you can see the cluster, it should be green tick, and the control panel, which is the master nodes are in green. That means each and every component of master nodes are in sync, and the operators, which is the cluster operator, where it ensures the clusters are in sync. So these all in green, right? There are image vulnerabilities. There are three, but of course we will see that the later. But what is the version is available currently? You can just click update cluster, and you can go with the clusters, which version you want to update your cluster. And what are the cluster operators are available? As I said, there are a lot of operators are available, and each an operator it is consist of pods, which takes care of these operators to function. Right? Let's take it as a console which we log in, and if you see the conditions, what is the condition of the pods and what is the status, and you can also see its logs, and you can edit the configuration files,